Hi guys, Jason here, and I'll be taking a slime bath, and I'm not very okay with this because there's slime in here. Ew, 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 ew. Oh, gross. Okay, I need a towel now. Towel now. Ew, 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 ew. Okay, ew. You know what? I don't want to do it here. Just move the slime bath a little.
Can't get off the bed.
Ew. Ew. Don't do that. The slime bath is in here. Not very excited. Like I said before, I think. So, anyway, ow. Anyways, the consistency of this is actually pretty slimy, in my opinion. But I don't know about you, but it's pretty slimy. Michael, can you hold the camera?
Okay, sure.
See, it's pretty slimy.
Wow, it's so white. Its color is white.
Yeah, it's white slime.
Jesus, looks like a sand here. Michael? Okay,
So, yeah.
it's gonna
Not
be
very excited.
big.
See, look at this slimy stuff.
Mama smart.
Okay. So, I think I'm gonna puke after this, and I'm gonna take an extra long shower. So, yeah, Michael, quiet, please. Anyways, pray for me, guys. Pray for me. I'm jumping in.
Dun
Okay.
dun dun.
See, I'm already sweating. I'm not even in it. Ew, ew, ew. Oh! Oh! Gross! Ew! Ew!
It's stuck! Okay, it's stuck! I stuck my finger! Help! I stuck my finger!
Ew!
I stuck!
Actually, this is pretty fine.
It's stuck!
Yay!
It's so cold!
But this isn't actually slime. It's just a whole bunch of glue. It's a slime, but it's glue. That's what it is.
Ew, what the heck?
Ew.
He stuck my finger and made me get slime.
Ew. Look at this, guys. Look how slimy this is.
But as I say, chop it like a head. 5 later. What the?
Oh. Okay, guys. So that is it for this episode. Oh, no, it's not. Pinky's up next. So Pinky's gonna tap this slime bath now. Yay. I'll stay here just watching. And there are going to be other people taking a slime bath. So, yeah.
Yeah, it's time the bath time.
Okay, so the next one is Pinky.